pump. What? This is not working. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel All That Natural. It's me Shrutika here. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about my product empties. Like, I think most of you must know what this video is about, but for people who don't know, let me tell you that in today's video I'll be talking about the products which I have used and completed. So I'm just gonna give my review on those products, like if I'm going to repurchase that particular product or not, or if I have repurchased everything of that sort. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing about that, then please keep on watching. So guys, the first product I have with me is this one from the brand called Jiva. It is their Jiva Organic and Pure Aloe Vera Gel, soothing and moisturizing for skin and hair, paraben and mineral oil free for all skin types, and the price is 150, which is very affordable. Talking about the product, you can see I have completely completed this, yeah. And talking about how I have felt after using this, if you guys are looking for pure aloe vera gel, then you can obviously give this one a try. Now, one thing I didn't like about this one is I want my gels to stay on my skin, like just after you have applied this, just in few minutes it gets completely absorbed into my skin, and somewhere my skin feels very dry. So I feel that you can like, if you want to use this as a daily moisturizer, like I use aloe vera gel as my daily moisturizer, so you have to mix any oil or something, like if you are of dry skin type. So yeah, I don't think this is the perfect one for me, because obviously you can go with the hair part, but for skin this didn't work really well for me, and I don't think I'm going to buy this one because I already have so many gel options. So the next product I have with me is this one, which is again aloe vera gel, and this is also from Jiva. This aloe vera gel is my holy grail. Like, you guys don't believe, but I already repurchased this because मैंने इसको इसमें भी थोड़ा सा भी नहीं बचा था, and I loved this product. Also, this is very affordable. This is for only rupees 250. Talking about this one, this is the best one for dry to combination skin type, because this moisturizes my face and at the same time it does not makes my skin feel dry. I have loved this product. I have nothing more to say because you can actually see how I have felt after using this. So I will highly recommend you guys also, if you're looking for aloe vera gel for daily use, then you should definitely give this one a try. Next up, I have one last aloe vera gel which I didn't like at all. That is this one from Mamaearth. You can see थोड़ा भी बचा हुआ है क्योंकि actually it's pump. As I was telling that this aloe vera gel, this is from Mamaearth. It is the aloe turmeric gel, no added colors, for suits all skin and hair types. But no, this is wrong. Every time I have used this aloe vera gel, I felt that my skin is getting small bumps because of that. I might be wrong, but see, the thing is, the time I apply this, like if at the night time I apply this, in the morning I'll see I will have a new bump on my face, new pimple or a new acne. But the next day, if I don't apply this, I don't get anything. And I have tested this for 2-3 weeks, and I have realized that it is because of this product. First of all, this might suit you guys very well, but trust me, this didn't work really well for me, and I have completed this by using it on my hair. I haven't seen any visible difference which I see with some products, and the conclusion is I'm not going to buy this again. Next up, I have two products from the brand called Good Vibes, and I have their body lotion and their shower gel. You guys might have seen this a long while ago on my channel on a haul video, like purple haul. Shower gel actually बहुत पहले ही खत्म हो चुका था. I have stored the bottle, you know, we store it for storing something else, you know what I mean. So I have kept this because for that, and this body lotion I have completed now only because, you know, in the middle winters ke time pe I just didn't do the work it should have done. At the time you will apply this on your body, it will moisturize your skin very well, but afterwards, you know, see, what we want is after we take bath, we apply body lotion and we want it to do the job the whole day. But this didn't work that way. This is like, if you apply it, then it's okay for 3-4 hours maximum, not more than that. 3-4 hours it is good, but after that 5 to 6 hours it just make my skin feel really dry, and I have to reapply this to make my to keep my body moisturized. So yeah, but that is not how body lotions work. The work of body lotion is, if you apply it in the morning time, then it will continue to be there till the night time, at least a little bit of it, but it should be there. It should keep your body moisturized for the whole day. Smell is good, everything is good, but the main thing that what a body lotion should do, it didn't went well with that. So yeah, I'm not going to repurchase this anyways. Next up, I have this shower gel. It is their cherry blossom revitalizing shower gel. You know, I have used this every day, and it was good. I'm not going to repurchase this, and I also have anything bad to say about this, and I also didn't like it so much that I should repurchase like I felt with this aloe vera gel. Not so worthy like buying. You can go for any shower gel. There are lots of shower gels of Nivea. Nivea is my most favorite one. Nivea or Palmolive, anything you can go for, but I'll not suggest this to anyone. So yeah. Next, I have two products from my most favorite brand, that is Plum. I have their toner and their night gel, and I'm definitely going to buy this one or the MCafe night gel. I have seen some reviews that the texture of both of these products are the same somewhat. So yeah, maybe I will buy this one or that one. This is the best product for oily to combination skin types. This is the best gel you can go for. You guys are going to love this product. Now talking about my most favorite product, that is this toner from Plum. I don't have words to say how much I love this product. This has worked magically for my face, and I would highly recommend that you guys should go for this one. If you're suffering from acne or pores or oily skin, you should definitely go for this one. I am definitely going to repurchase this, and yeah. So the last product I have with me is this one. This is the Mamaearth Onion Shampoo with onion and plant keratin. Talking about this shampoo, I have repurchased this. This is for rupees 349 for 250 ml of products. You get a lot of quantity. It's just, you know, I'm an overuser sort of person, so I just completed it really soon. Also, I have the conditioner from Mamaearth only. The smell of the conditioner is so good. Like, it feels like some chocolate, some, you know, coconut and chocolate, and it just feels like I should eat it up. It smells so good. So yeah, at the same time, I really loved this shampoo from Mamaearth. It is for hair fall control. It did help my hair in controlling the hair fall. That is what I would like to say about this product. That was it about the reviews, about everything I would like to say about the products I have completed. So if you guys really like this video of mine, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. We'll see you soon next time with a new video which will definitely be helpful for you. Till then, bye bye, take care.